I'm so very happy to watch the band at the BTC Mall. I remember myself, my dreaming of my life, at the past of my life. When I was a child, I always playing the music instrument. I always loving to the guitar instrument because of my family member, the De La Cruz family. From my own grandfather is a faith healer, musician, but did not studying about the band, but knowing to sing and play the guitar instrument and tuning, no tuning machine. And I surprised, oh, so very good song about the faith healer. Tara na mapasantikor kita. I have my song corresponding of your song. I have my song March 4, the brand new guitar. I create my song afternoon when I did that forgot it. For afternoon. Tuning the title of my song. My test no my guitar instrument. If okay. The same at the tara na mapasantigwar kita. Ayaning mag. I did not memorizing. I did not completely memorizing the exactly tune of the song and lyrics. But I have my song. The same at the song I hear. But I did not writing on the spot when I play the guitar instrument. Dapping in my mind out from my present of my body in out from my mouth. The word of the giving bird. And I hear in my ear the voice of my sister, Rosel Añeles de la Cruz. And complete the present. The original. There's a reason. The music is the cure. So the family member, the guitar instrument, girl and boy, who is the husband, who is the wife. The childhood. Because I find the instrument, not from me. I did not want the instrument. I disappointed to my talent. Man is very hateful. All my material living things for the band, vlogging, in the future, I broken. Not the people, only broken in the people. The people broken. The word of the family creation, not the word of the killing. Because the people only correctioning the word, the mistaken word. But the broken people, giving the punishment, only myself, I give the punishment, full punishment to myself. And I really make sure to the people, if you do the bad to me, you suffering. The word of pagpapasabi, fully cleaves.